Welcome to Play Digital Signage Tutorials. Today we're taking a closer look at how to add background music to an individual slide. Let's begin by opening an existing playlist. Adding background music works the same way as adding an image, a video, or a font. You simply go to Assets in the menu above the canvas. In this example, I'll use a corporate commercial MP3 file. I just click on it, and it's added directly to the slide. You can clearly see it's there, shown with a dotted line. But when I publish the playlist, it won't appear visually on the screen. The slides in this playlist are set to 20 seconds by default, but the audio file I've added is 47 seconds long. To make the slide fit the audio, I can adjust its duration to match the length of the file. I do this by clicking the blue button in the settings on the right. I can also adjust the sound by moving the volume slider. And if I want the audio to repeat, I simply enable Loop Track. All I have to do now is publish the playlist, and the audio will play in the background. Adding background music to a slide is quick, easy, and a great way to enhance your content. If you have any questions, go to playsignage.com or reach out via the live chat. We are live 24/7 with dedicated people ready to help. Thank you for watching. See you next time.